Welcome WB stars in the Fiore restaurant at the Lesante Cape of Zakynthos Island. Now we prepared one signature dish of Fiore restaurant, is the COD. It's a Greek COD, it's the best COD of the Greek sea. So we put extra virgin olive oil in the pan, and after put inside the COD of the fillet inside for 2-3 minutes. Now put in some thyme. Some butter. Okay. The COD is ready. Here we have a garnish of the COD dish. Here we have potatoes cooked in the COD broth with herbs, and the finish you put inside mussels butter and lemon juice. Side. Βάλε το πούτυρο στο βίντεο. Βάλτε το σκουτάλι. Here is mussels butter, homemade mussels butter. It's extra boost of the taste. Λιανό συνέχισε. Now, Manosos finish the dish. Here we have a citrus gel, potatoes with mussel butter, here we have lemon spuma, this is chives oil, and cold fillet on top. this. It's a mussels mayonnaise. And finish on top fried tapioca with powder of the skin of cod. Some flowers. Κάνε τον επίλογο εσύ, δώσ' το τι παίζει.
So, thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy it. See you soon.